Hello friend, I hope you are doing well. So finally we have managed to complete your project requirements. So the idea was to have a UHF RFID reader connected with a microcontroller, and this RFID reader will continuously read the uh, RFID tags, something like these, and will post those information on a web dashboard. Okay, so this ESP32 is responsible for reading all the tags from the reader, and then this ESP32 is connected with your home Wi-Fi and then continuously posting those EPCs that it is reading on a web dashboard. Okay, so I have created a web dashboard here. So it has a backend database where all the EPC tags that are coming from the reader will be stored, and like the rest of the functionality, like I have created the flow, room number, and this part I will explain them later. Okay, so right now let's me turn on the reader. So first of all, it tries to connect with the Wi-Fi, and it gets connected with the Wi-Fi, and it starts reading from the EPC list. So right now we don't have any RFID tag near the reader, so I will bring one near to it. Let's try it. Okay, as soon as I bring our RFID tag, we get an information like an RFID reader has read one of the RFID tags. And if I go to dashboard to see, let me show you. So we got an RFID tag here, okay? And by default, it is assigned to floor 0, okay? So what I gonna do is, let's say this is, let me say it like it's floor 1 tags, and the room number is 200, and we'll save this one, okay? So I have assigned this one, okay? This is room 200 key, and the last time we see it was this time, like that time, okay? And you see, like I'm getting this green, it means that the tag is near to the RFID reader, okay? So now we are continuously getting these information here, okay? So what I will do, I will bring some more tags to see. So let me put some more tags near to it, and we will wait. Here you go. So as soon as I bring more tags, we can see like we have now a couple of tags here, okay? And now one by one we could assign those tags some floor. So let imagine like we have this one, and I assign to 201 and save this one. So if you see here on floor 1 we have two keys now, room number 200 and 201. So similarly you can assign any floor to this one. Let's say, let me assign this one to floor 2, and let's say 301, okay, and save this one. So now I have floor 0 where we have these, and these are rooms are unassigned because we haven't configured those. And we have floor 1, and we have floor 2, the one we just added, okay? So imagine like at some point, if any of the tag is not near, so let me take off this one. So I'm taking out this tag out of range, and we will wait. So after a couple of seconds, when we take off this tag like from the reader, this one is marked red now. It means like this one is missing now because we have take off this one. So from here we could like monitor if the keys are near the RFID tags or the person has taken out, okay? And rest of the functionality can be done, okay? So this was it. I hope this is like the from the bottom to top all the working of your project, okay? And we could like the hardware side is set now. Like the from the hardware side, the only thing we have to do is to read the RFID tags and then keep posting it on the server side, okay? And now the rest of the functionality is on the software side, which whatever you like to do on the software side, okay? I hope you like the work. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.